Here we give an application of if VBA program. So here is again a grading exercise with a list of scores to pass only if more than 50 marks, otherwise fail. So simplest VBA code we have is look at the marks, if 50, pass, otherwise fail. So this is standard thing we have done in the Excel spreadsheet. And one way to do it is using the following VBA function. We set it to fail at the beginning, and if more than 50, then say it to pass. It is one way to do it, and this is how you write the formula, then you should get the same result. Alternatively, you can set the following using if-else statement. Say if more than 50 is pass, otherwise will fail. So let's see the Excel spreadsheet. So here I have a column, but just remove it here. So I have this is the score B2 more than 50, pass, otherwise fail. So I copy and paste here, and this is what we want. So we want to show that the VBA function also gives the same thing. Again, look at the VBA this is exactly what we want. Actually this is the function we have in the slide. Say to fail, otherwise it pass. Here is we check more than 50, then if it doesn't pass, it fail. Okay, so both of them take the marks as the input. So here we have pass 1, take the marks, then this gives you same result. Or if you want, you have the pass 2. Also take the marks, also gives you the same thing. So this illustrates how you can use the if statement to make it more simple. So because this one looks like to check this thing is correct or not, but this one I just make sure that the pass 1 is fine, then we are fine. So this is how you can simplify Excel spreadsheet to minimize the debugging difficulty, because you don't need to check everyone is right or wrong, but as long as pass 1, then you're happy. So thank you very much.